If you are preparing for IELTS speaking, there's one mistake many students make. They think getting a band 8 means using complicated English and memorizing big words. But that's not what the examiner is looking for. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what a band 3 or 4 answer sounds like, what a band 8 plus answer sounds like, and most importantly, what you should not say if you want a high score. Let's begin. Do you like your hometown? Yes, I do. I like my hometown. It's a nice place. I lived there all my life. It's big and has a lot of shops and people. Who do you live with? I live with my family. What don't you like about your hometown? It's very crowded. See why this answer would struggle to get a high score. Basic and repetitive sentence, grammatical errors like I lived there all my life, whereas it should be I have lived there all my life. The speaker gives an idea but doesn't explain or develop it, and very limited vocabulary. Do you like your hometown? Yeah, definitely. I really like my hometown because it has a great community feel and there are plenty of shops, restaurants, and other facilities nearby. It's quite a lively place, although the heavy traffic can be a bit overwhelming during peak hours. Who do you live with? Currently, I share an apartment with a couple of university friends, which is great because we split the bills. However, during the holidays, I usually head back home to stay with my immediate family, including my parents and younger sibling. It's a bit crowded house, but I really treasure that quality time with them. Notice something important. The band 8 plus speaker isn't using crazy vocabulary. They're simply developing their answers. They give a direct answer, explain it, add details, and use a natural range of vocabulary and grammar. And that's one of the biggest difference between a basic IELTS speaking answer and a much stronger one. I hope you like this video. If this video helped you, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.